Well, usually he does this for the second rope, but Orton's going to do it for the top rope.
Oh, man. John Cena's skull planted.
Cena may be out.
Kidding.
Cena dragged her toward the middle of the ring. Randy Orton hooks the leg of Cena. Is that up? And Cena just barely stays in this match. There's that DDT from the top rope.
Devastating. That may prove to be a real difference maker in this one.
And again, mocking the WWE fans here.
The one thing about Randy Orton, I mean, he could probably, he's got a good chance to be able to put John Cena away right here, but instead he gloats. He preens around the ring. He's taking advantage.
Trying to position himself for the RKO. John Cena able to counter. Drop toe hold. Looking for the STF. Submission move now on Randy Orton. Randy Orton is on now. Come on now. Come on now. Rollins, Kane, mauling Cena. They were just waiting for the moment to pounce, and they did.
Yeah, they were waiting for the moment that it appeared John Cena had the match won. Everything was fine when Randy Orton was in control.
Orton and Kane and Rollins, 3-on-1 assault to Cena. Cena's helpless. And Cena now trying to fight back. Cena trying to fight back, but Rollins caught him with a kick.
Oh, kick to the side of John Cena's head, and now
Kane. Choke slam to Cena. Did you see the height? Rollins just screaming, do it, do it. Now they're dragging Cena. Oh, what's Rollins doing here?
Come on, man.
Cena is helpless, guys.
Get him over there. Get him over
there. Oh, and Rollins is screaming, telling him to take Cena over here.
You like surprises, right?
Oh my God, this is what Rollins tried to do to his Shield brethren. Elbows attacking him and attacking Kane. The lunatic fridge is here. Dean Ambrose. And now Randy Orton and Ambrose is taking out everybody. The unhinged Ambrose. Dean Ambrose going right after Kane.
Well, this was a surprise.